Good evening, everybody. Today we are going to discuss tricks on tricks of multiplication. So here is the list of short maths tricks. So today we are going to learn all the maths tricks that is going to help you to speed up your calculation. Time management is a problem in every competitive exam. By using these tricks, you can solve any question in less time, so you can attempt more questions in less time. I am sure that these tricks will surely help you in the exam. Study in a smart way with us. So this is my first trick, and the trick we are going to discuss is the squaring of number. So in this trick, we need to make a unit digit 0. After making 0, it is easy to multiply any number. So let us take an example. Find the square of 53. So here we have to find square of 53. So this is my number 53, and we have to find the square of 53. So what we have done, we have added 3 in 53. Simultaneously we have subtracted 3, and then we have added 3 into 3. So 5 plus 3, we are getting 53 plus 3, we are getting 56. 53 minus 3, we are getting 50, and 3 into 3, we are getting as 9. So for multiplying 56 into 50, what we do? Again, 50 we write as 10 into 5. Okay, now 56 into 10, it becomes 560 into 5 plus 9. Now 560 into 5 is 2800, and plus 9 is 2809. So this is one of the method of finding square of any number. What? 53 into 53. So we are going to add 3, we are going to subtract 3, and then we are going to add 3 into 3. Now if you have to calculate square of 66, then what you are going to do? You are going to add 6, you are going to minus 6, and then you are going to add 6 into 6. Okay, so this question you will try on your own. Then next trick. Okay, now next trick of math is the multiplication. Okay, so Vedic mathematics give us the easiest method to multiply any two numbers. We can easily multiply any numbers by using this trick. So see this particular trick. What we are having? We are having the numbers 42 and 32. So we have to multiply 42 and 32. So what we are going to do? First, we are going to multiply 2 into 2. Okay. So see. So what we have done? We have done the multiplication of 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 we have written 4. Then what we will do? We will multiply 2 into 3. This 2 and 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. And then we will multiply 2 into 4 into 2. Now 4 into 2 is 8. Addition becomes 14. So this 4 is written here. Now what we will do? We will multiply 4 into 3. So 4 into 3 is 12. And this 1 is added here. So 12 plus 1 is 13. And our result becomes 1344. So this is one of the method of multiplying two-digit number. What we have done? We have multiplied 2 into 2. We have written 4. Then we have multiplied 2 into 3. That is 6. Then 4 into 2. That is 8. We have added the two numbers. And units place is written here. Then we have multiplied 4 into 3. 12. And 12 is added with 1. So it becomes 13. And the result we are getting as 1344. Next is the multiplication with 66. Sorry, multiplication with 99. So whenever you will come across this number 99. So what is the trick here? The trick here is that make 100 as a king. So what you are going to do? Multiply the number with 100 and then minus the same number from the result. So for example, if you want to multiply 44 into 99. So this particular trick is only for 99. So what does this trick indicate? Multiply 44 into 100. So we are getting 4400, and then we are going to subtract the same number 44 from the result. That is 4400 minus 44, and the result we are getting 4356. So see, whenever you are going to multiply any number by 99, what you are going to do? You are going to multiply that particular number by 100. You are going to subtract that particular number from the result, and you are getting the final result. So you don't have to multiply the number 44 into 99. You just have to perform the subtraction. Okay. So next is the multiplication with 5. So here make 10 as a king. Now multiply the number by 10 and divide the result by 2. So what is your question? We are going to perform 76 into 5. So what is the trick? We have to multiply 76 into 10. So result is 760, and then you are going to divide 760 by 2. So only we have to divide 76 by 2. So 76 by 2 is 38, and the 0 we are writing it here. So 76 into 5, the result we are getting as 380. Then another method of multiplication is the estimation method. So this particular method or technique is very important in exam. So for example, you have to multiply 206 into 390. So what you are going to do, the number which is close to the 200, 206 is 200. The number which is close to 390 is 400. So what you are going to do, you are going to multiply 200 into 400. So 200 into 400, 4 into 2 is 8. And here 20, here 20, we are getting 4 zeros. So we are getting 80,000. So this is the another method of finding the multiplication. See, multiplication of two number by using estimation. So instead of multiplying 206 into 390, what we have done, we have considered 206 as 200, 390 as 400. Why 400? Because 390 is close to 400. And we have just multiplied 2 into 4, that is 8. And remaining here 20 and here 20, here we are getting here 40. So answer is 80,000. So here we are, here it is a trick of estimation. So thank you.